How to turn on two-factor authentication on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down to the two-factor authentication and tap on it. After that, tap on Continue and then tap on Let's Do It at the bottom. Next, from the options that appear, choose the one that best fits your preference. Here, I am going with SMS option. Now enter your phone number linked to Snapchat and tap on Verify. Then enter the verification code you received through SMS. And then click on Continue. A pop-up will appear asking you to save your backup codes. Tap on OK to proceed. You can either save your backup codes to your gallery or copy them. Choose your preferred option. I am going with Save Screenshot option. After that, look at the top right corner and tap on Next. If needed, you can set up login codes with an authentication app. Otherwise, simply tap on Skip. And that's it. The two-factor authentication is enabled for your Snapchat.